Meetings, workshops, training sessions, conferences, we all having more and more every day. But it's still difficult to figure out which one is useful and which one isn't so much. And that's exactly why we invented Roti.express. Roti stands for Return on Time Invested. It's an agile tool to gauge how well time is invested. All you have to do is to create a survey from your browser or your calendar. Then you receive a link to share and a QR code to show. After an event, the participants give it a score and write a helpful comment. The results are displayed in charts to help you visualize the real added value of your events. And voila, you just activated the feedback loop, which is an essential component of continuous improvement. From now on, all your meetings, workshops, training sessions, and conferences will be well done, thanks to Roti.express. Discover our platform at Roti.express.